Next, let's have a look at another frustrating scenario. Here's a situation. You're scrolling through LinkedIn and you see this great infographic, an AI tech stack landscape with 50 plus company logos beautifully arranged by category. You save it immediately, thinking this is gold, but then reality hits. It's a dead image, just logos and a pretty graphic, way too shallow to actually be useful. Now, if you wanted to actually understand this landscape, who's raised recently, which founders have exits, who's growing fastest, you'd have to manually research every single company. Open 50 tabs, check Crunchbase, LinkedIn, TechCrunch for each one. That's hours of copy pasting company names into search bars, and by the time you're done, the data's already stale. So let's think about how Manus can help. We know it can understand images, which is a great start, but here's where it can get powerful. We also know Manus has wide research capabilities, where it can spawn multiple AI agents, each conducting their own research simultaneously. Think of it like having 50 analysts working in parallel instead of one person doing everything sequentially. In this particular scenario, we can get Manus to conduct specific deep research on every company individually. Then aggregate everything into whatever format we need. A spreadsheet for analysis, a presentation for the team, even a live database. So we're going to drop in our infographic and write our prompt. Here we're telling Manus to research all of the companies listed in this image about the AI tech landscape. We're going to include all the information we want about these companies, and finally, we'll summarize them into a spreadsheet. As you can see, Manus has gone and done the wide research, and it's got the information that we wanted for each one of these companies. When it's finished all of them, we'll see that it's outputted a spreadsheet with columns for each of the information points that we wanted. It's also included a confidence column for its level of confidence within the research, so we can go in and do further research if we wanted for those companies. So what did we really unlock here? We combined Manus's multimodal input by reading images, wide research, and structured output by creating a spreadsheet directly into one smooth workflow. Think about where else this pattern can apply. Every time someone shares a market map, a competitor landscape, a conference attendee list, anything where you need the same deep information across multiple entities, they can all use the same workflow and save you a massive amount of time.